Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be showing you how to fry plantain. A very simple recipe. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do. So the first step to this is you're going to cut off all the edges on your plantain, all the hard edges. And then you're going to slit through the peel of the plantain, making sure not to cut through to the inside. So just unwrap it like that. Do this for the other one as well. This one is a bit more ripe than the other one, and then you're going to cut them into small pieces. I do this diagonal shape because I think it just looks prettier on the plate, but you can just do round ones as well. So your plantain is ready for frying. Next, you're going to get a nice pan, put in enough oil for deep frying them, and just start putting them in there when your oil is hot. So fry them, turning them from time to time, just putting in amount enough for the pan. Keep turning them from time to time. At this point, your plantain is ready, but I would recommend that you fry it until the edges start getting dark because it has this nice crispy outside and they taste better. So when they have the nice edges, just take it off the oil, and then you're going to repeat the same process with what was left. So put it in a pan, fry it, keep turning it until it starts having these nice dark edges. It tastes better. And your plantain is ready. Bon appetit, tati. Until next time, it's bye-bye.